Hey there, guys! Have you ever wondered what goes on in a woman's mind when she starts to think about you in a romantic way? Well, get ready to uncover the secrets because in today's video, we're diving deep into the signs that indicate a woman is falling for you. Whether you're crushing on someone or just curious about how to spot the signs of attraction, stick around because this video will give you all the insights you need to decode her romantic thoughts. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, your go-to destination for decoding the mysteries of love and attraction. Today, we're delving into the fascinating topic of when she starts to think about you in a romantic way. From subtle hints to undeniable signals, we'll explore the key indicators that reveal her growing feelings for you. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the signs that she's falling head over heels for you. Segment 1. Increased communication. One of the first signs that she's starting to think about you romantically is an increase in communication. Whether it's through text messages, phone calls, or social media, you'll notice that she's reaching out to you more frequently. She may initiate conversations, ask about your day, or simply find excuses to keep the conversation going. Pay attention to her enthusiasm and responsiveness, as these are strong indicators of her growing interest. Segment 2. Making plans to see you. As her feelings for you deepen, she'll likely start making plans to spend time with you in person. Whether it's grabbing coffee, going for a hike, or attending an event together, she'll find reasons to see you face to face. Pay attention to her efforts to prioritize spending time with you, as this shows that she values your presence and enjoys being around you. Segment 3. Remembering details about you. When a woman starts to think about you romantically, she'll pay close attention to the little details about you. You'll notice that she remembers your favorite things, such as your favorite food, movie, or hobby. She may also bring up past conversations and show genuine interest in your life. This attentiveness demonstrates that she's invested in getting to know you on a deeper level. Segment 4. Physical touch. Physical touch is another powerful indicator that she's developing romantic feelings for you. You may notice subtle gestures like touching your arm during conversation, leaning in close when you're together, or finding excuses to make physical contact. These gestures convey her desire to be physically close to you and can indicate a growing attraction. Segment 5. Flirtatious behavior. As her feelings for you intensify, she'll likely become more flirtatious in her interactions with you. She may playfully tease you, give you compliments, or engage in lighthearted banter. Pay attention to her body language and tone of voice, as these can provide valuable clues about her intentions. Her flirtatious behavior is a clear sign that she's interested in taking your relationship to the next level. Segment 6. Sharing personal information. When a woman starts to think about you romantically, she'll feel comfortable opening up and sharing personal information with you. You may find that she confides in you about her hopes, dreams, and fears, or shares intimate details about her life. This level of vulnerability indicates that she trusts you and sees you as someone she can rely on for support. Segment 7. Making future plans together. As her feelings for you deepen, she'll likely start envisioning a future together and including you in her long-term plans. You may find that she talks about future vacations, events, or milestones and expresses a desire for you to be a part of them. Pay attention to her enthusiasm and sincerity when discussing the future, as this can reveal her true feelings for you. Segment 8. Jealousy or protectiveness. When a woman starts to think about you romantically, she may display signs of jealousy or protectiveness. You may notice that she becomes more attentive when other women are around you or expresses concern when you spend time with other people. While these behaviors may seem possessive, they often stem from her growing feelings of attachment and desire to be with you. Segment 9. Seeking your approval. As her feelings for you deepen, a woman will seek your approval and validation more frequently. She may seek your opinion on important decisions, ask for your feedback on her work or creative projects, or look to you for reassurance in moments of doubt. Her desire for your approval is a sign that she values your opinion and wants to make you proud. Segment 10. Introducing you to friends and family. Finally, one of the strongest indicators that a woman is thinking about you romantically is her willingness to introduce you to her friends and family. When she's serious about you, she'll want the important people in her life to meet you and get to know you better. Being included in her social circle is a sign that she sees a future with you and wants to integrate you into her life. And there you have it, the telltale signs that indicate a woman is starting to think about you in a romantic way. From increased communication and emotional intimacy to physical affection and efforts to impress, these signs offer valuable insight into her true feelings. Remember, every woman is unique, so pay attention to her individual cues and trust your instincts. Thanks for tuning in to Wonderful Relationship, and until next time, happy decoding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on love, dating, and relationships. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, take care and happy decoding.